Today in this tutorial I will show you how to control LED to the Raspberry Pi. You can see the schematic diagram in my article. I will provide this link in this video description. Start a Python console from the terminal and enter those commands I will provide you. I cannot explain this code. You can see my article to know more about this. So I start it. Okay. Here you can see I import the LED from the GPIO library, and you can see the variable name LED. Now I will show you control turn on LED and turn off LED using command. You can see the LED is turned on. Now I turn off this LED. You can see the LED is turned off. If you want to extend this experiment that you want to make in Python console into a program that makes the LED will on off repeatedly, now I will show you this program. I write this program previously. Now I will show you. Okay, you can see this code. You can see this file. I will show you. You can see this program. Now I will run this program. You can see the LED is blinking now, and the sleep period of 0.5 between tuning the LED 1 and tuning it off. Again, make the blink 1 second. You can change this time, changing the sleeping time. The LED class also has a built-in method for blinking. Now I will show you this example. I stop this, and now I will show this program, and I will run this. You can see this same program, the same work done by this program. Here you can see the timing of blinking period. You can change, and you can see the timing different, and background is off, and why background is false, and why this false, you can see my article in deep. Now you cannot control your LED. Now I will show you how to turn off your LED using this command. sorry. Now you can see the same program, but you can control this LED from this command line. You can see how to off this LED, and you can on your LED using this terminal. Sorry. Again, you can turn off your LED. I hope you understand how to turn on and how to turn off your LED. You can see more idea about this tutorial in my article. I will provide this link in my video description. I hope you if you read this, you can get more idea about this. So thank you for watching this.